Hello, very good morning, children. You're most welcome in class 11th accountancy. Practical question from your textbook, question number 16. Diminishing balance method. Depreciation we are studying. So, explained yesterday the diminishing balance method or written down value method. One of the questions again that is being solved before you and explaining before you. Question number 16. Go through the questions given. Ashoka Limited bought a machine on 1st April 2010 for rupees 2,40,000 and spent rupees 4,000 on its carriage and 6,000 towards installation cost. So my dear children, the cost of the machine will become 2,40,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000. That will be the cost of machine. I mean to say the 2,50,000. And again on 1st July 2011, 1st July 2011, it purchased a second-hand machinery for rupees 75,000 and spent 25,000 on its overhauling. Means इसे चलने योग्य बनाने के लिए बेटा 25,000 रुपये और भी खर्च कर दिया गया। तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि इस मशीन की कास्ट 1 लाख रुपीज़ हो गई, 75,000 प्लस 25,000। On 1st January 2013, it decided to sell the machinery bought on 1st April 2010। 1st April 2010 को जो मशीनरी खरीदी गई उसे बेचने का निर्णय लिया गया एट ए लॉस ऑफ रुपीज़ 20,000, 20 रुपये की हानि पर। और उसी डेट को इट बॉट एन अदर मशीन ऑन द सेम डेट फॉर रुपीज़ 40,000। कंपनी डिसाइडेड टू चार्ज डेप्रिसिएशन एट द रेट ऑफ 15% पर एनम on written down value method. Prepare machinery account for 3 years. Books are closed each year on 31st March. My dear children, just mind whether the information given April to March or January to December. Calendar year is called January to December. So this one is the assessment year of April to March. First information line by line we have to solve the questions. What comes in debit? Ashoka Limited, this one is the machinery account. Draw the machinery account. Date particular amount debit and date particular amount credit. Now a working note, mind the date. Date इसमें बहुत महत्वपूर्ण चीज होता है डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज करने के लिए। तो आप देख रहे हैं पहली मशीन जो खरीदी जा रही है, द फर्स्ट मशीन दैट इज बीइंग परचेज्ड ऑन 1st April 2010। सो वी पुट हियर 1st April 2010, 1 4 10 2 बैंक to bank. The cost of the machine, just the cost of the machine 2,40,000 and he spent 4,000 on its carriage, उसके ढुलाई पर 4,000 और प्लस 6,000 उसके इंस्टॉलेशन पर, उसको सेट करने का। The cost of the machine will become 2,50,000, 2,40,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000. So 2,50,000. This will be the cost of the machine. And on 1st July means 31st March तक कुछ भी नहीं किया गया इंफॉर्मेशन। So the depreciation will be charged on साल के अंत में बेटा 31/3/11 by depreciation. 15%, 2,50,000. Just do the working note. 2,50,000 into 15/100. Just this way cancel. 0, 15 × 75 को 5, 15 को 19, 37,500. Just the first year, whole year, 37,500. Depreciation, just you can balance, by balance. By balance, my dear children, 2,50,000 minus 37,500. Then 2,37,500 अगर जो इसमें से माइनस करेंगे 2,50,000 में से just 37,500. Just keep the rough paper and try to calculate that one. 0, 0, 5, 2, 1, 2,12,500. Just you can 2,12,500. I need to say that in English. 2,12,500. 2,50,000. The first year depreciation on first machine, that will be charged 2 lakh. The balance of the machine 2,12,500. 2 lakh. Now the next year will begin of the balance of the first machine, or taking the balance of the first machine on 1st April. 1/4/11 to balance. Just the machine 2,12,500. 2,12,500. And the information again in 11, another machine on 1st July 2011. Means April, May, June, July. 1st July, just the 1st July, I am to say 1/7/11. Another machine, second machine, to bank. The amount that is given purchased 75,000 and spent 25,000 on its over. The cost of the machine will become 1 lakh. So 1 lakh. And 1st January 2013 just will decide it, means next year. So now, my dear children, by 12, at the end of the year, the depreciation will be charged by depreciation. By depreciation. First machine and second machine. We have to calculate. Because of that, this one given at the balancing method, written down value method. So you know it very well, the value of the machine and depreciation charged on go on decreasing. So we will charge 2,12,500, 15%. So you can draw the working note. 2,12,500 100 into 15 upon 100. 0 0 cancel. Now multiply by 15. 15 बचे 75 को 5, 15 दूनी 30 का 37. $31,875. That's the depreciation of first machine. 38,175. And the second machine purchased on 1st July. 1st July, my dear, that is given on 1st July. So April, May, June, 3 months. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9 months. The depreciation will be charged for 9 months. So 9 months, 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 15 upon 100 into 9 by 12. 0 0 कैंसिल हो गया. अब 3 3 का 9, 3 4 का 12. 4 1004 to 250 is equal to 250 into 15 into 3. So 250 multiplied by 45. Just this way you can multiply. 5 0 5 5 by 25 5 2 10 12. 5 0 5 0 9. चार बचे 20 को सुनना. 4 9 8 10 1000. So add 0 5 2 1 1. 11,250. Just the 11,250. Now add this one is the depreciation. 5 7 5 2 4 9 and 4. 49,425. Both the machines depreciation included. दोनों का टोटल कर दिया हमने, तो आपको 49,425. अब बाय बैलेंस सबका अलग अलग बैलेंस कर लीजिए. मशीन का बाय बैलेंस सी. नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट, द फर्स्ट मशीन का बैलेंस एंड सेकेंड मशीन का बैलेंस. फर्स्ट मशीन का बैलेंस कितना? 2,12,500. 2,12,500 minus 2,12,500 minus 38,175. 38,175. 10 में से 5 गया 5, 9 में से 7 गया 2, 4 में से 1 गया 3, 12 में से 8 गया 4, 10 में से 3 गया 7. 1,74,325. 1,74,325. And in 1,11,250. 1 lakh, so you can write this way. This one is the method. No mistake can take place. Remember, minus 11,250 दिया, 0, 5, 7, 8, 88,750, 88,750. Just add the total. 5, 7, 10 को सुनना, 8, 4, 12, 13, 3, 8, 7, just the balance of both the machine 2,63,075, 2,63,075 रुपए। अब यहां पर आप टोटल कर रहे हैं, टोटल कर दिया आपने 3,12,500, 3,12,500. Now the balance again 1,4 lakh on third year. We are going to enter in third year. We have to prepare the third year machinery account, 3 years. So to balance 3D. फर्स्ट मशीन का है 1,74,325 प्लस 88,750 सेकेंड। अलग अलग बैलेंस करके आप यदि रखेंगे तो आपका सवाल गलत होने की संभावना कम रहेगी। अब ये है 2,63,000, 2,63,075। ठीक है, अब इंफॉर्मेशन आगे पढ़िए। कहा यह जा रहा है कि 1 जनवरी 2013, तो आपका इसी असेसमेंट ईयर में आएगा ना, 1 जनवरी 2013 को इट डिसाइडेड टू सेल द मशीनरी बॉट ऑन 1 अप्रैल 2010 एट ए लॉस ऑफ 20,000। तो फर्स्ट मशीन का जो डेप्रिसिएशन है बेटा, अप्रैल से लेकर दिसंबर तक वो मशीन रन कर रही है आपके पास, मतलब 9 महीने। तो 9 महीने का डेप्रिसिएशन उसका निकाला जाए, यही ना बनता है। फर्स्ट मशीन जो बिक रही है, अब देखिए 9 मंथ का डेप्रिसिएशन जब चार्ज करेंगे तो चूंकि डिमिनिशिंग बैलेंस मेथड है, 1,74,325, 1,74,325 इंटू 15/100 इंटू 9/12 this way. Now 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, and no, just 4 and 1,74,325 into 15 into 3/400. 400. So you have to multiply, divide this one by 400. 400 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपका जो आएगा वो कैलकुलेशन आपको करना होगा वर्किंग नोट में। अब इसे मल्टीप्लाई करें, आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आप सबसे पहले इसको डिवाइड कर दीजिए 1,74,325 डिवाइड करें 400 से 40016 3 4 1 3 times 2 3 4 2 5 4 5 5 43580, just you can write 436 or 436 into 45. 15 3 45. Just you can multiply by 45 this way. 5 6 30, 5 3 15 and 3 8. 1 4 4 6 24, 4 छक्के 24 को 4, 4 3 12 को 14 को 4, 4 चौका 16 17, 0 8 4 12 के 2, 4 5 7 2, 4 5 1 6 होगा ना, 7 2 9, 19,620. Just you can write 5 back over here. 1